All right. Knocking this pile down a little bit. Bunch of 3x3s I took off for making my fences. This is my weekend that I just completed. Those are 23-inch wide, 3-inch slabs. A bunch of 2x6s, true 2x6s. Some 2x, I think those are 10s. A lot of 1xs. And what I did last week, I think it's about 2 weeks worth, because I've been playing with getting this set up for a new building. Oh, this lumber. Bunch of my floor joists here too. I don't know why that's sticking out. Anyways, bunch of my floor joists. Gonna be doing roof trusses with it. Just gotta align everything, square it up. Make sure I have all my lumber ready. Start doing 2 floors here.